Hello, meet again with me, Mutiara Balqis. Now we will learn how to use multimeter. But before that, prepare the material that we'll use. First is there a multimeter. Second is red wire and black wire. Third is battery, and the last is terminal. First step is connect the black wire to the measuring terminal negative or common negative, and the red wire connect to the measuring terminal positive. First experiment on the battery. First set the DC volt at 2.5 volt and the red wire connect to the positive pole on the battery and the black wire connect to the negative pole of the battery. And you can see that the indicator pointer changed from 0 to 1.5 volt. And second experiment on the terminal. Set AC voltage at 1 million volt, and if you don't see a change, set the AC voltage at 2050 volt and see the indicator change.